Good evening. I am Brigadier Praveen Kumar, who just retired on 1st of February 2021 as Group Commander NCC Patna. With immense pleasure and a lot of pride, I speak today about the NCC and its Alumni Association. It is heartening to learn that the Director General NCC have announced to launch an alumni association for the National Cadet Corps at the national level. In Bihar, the NCC Alumni Association were already functioning here for the last couple of years. It has started with the community traffic police earlier, and today, with the intense hard work and untiring effort of Major General M. Indrabalan, the Additional Director General of Bihar and Jharkhand Directorate, the NCC Alumni Association in Bihar has been registered as a full-fledged organization, namely United and Disciplined Alumni Association Network, UDAN. NCC UDAN is working day and night in this pandemic situation and reaching out to the public, those who are needing various pandemic requirements, that is oxygen cylinder, vaccination, meals for food, essential commodities, so on and so forth. Unmindful of their personal comfort and at times safety, although taking care of the COVID-19 safety precautions, our UDAN volunteers are efficiently and effectively helping out the people in and around Patna and 6 more districts of Bihar. I am proud of being associated with UDAN as its advisor and proud of being an NCC cadet. I recall my NCC days of 1981-84 in Patna University. I recall the NCC office in my college, the group headquarters at NCC Bhavan, and then only Bihar Directorate, and various combined annual training camps and all India level training camps. NCC changed an ordinary student like me from a small township into a sensible, responsible, and a capable citizen of the country. NCC has been close to my heart always, and even during the SSB of mine, that interview for induction into the army as the commissioned officers, my topic of lecture was NCC. So NCC, therefore, as I look at it, has been quite lucky for me individually. And also because of the training in the NCC, when I joined the Indian Military Academy, I had the edge over the other gentlemen cadets as far as the weapon training, the drill, and other training of the IMA is concerned. My dream was fulfilled when I was posted as a group commander to the same NCC group headquarters, Patna, where I was once an NCC cadet. It was a nostalgic moment where I entered into my alma mater, the NCC Bhavan at Patna, as group commander on joining. Couldn't have been more satisfying, posting and tenure than this. The cadets could see themselves in me, and I could see myself in them. This bond really worked very well. This was resulted into Patna Group continuously being adjudged champion twice, and our NCC C certificate result also improved manifold up to 88%. Today, the kind of social service and community development our cadets and ex-cadets are indulged in, the society and the government look upon them with pride and a lot of expectation. Most parents want the awards to be part of NCC, and even the cadets themselves are more motivated than ever before. This has been possible by the guidance from all the officers who are being posted to the National Cadet Corps, as also the government's effort to make the NCC more lucrative, be it direct SSB interview for those who have done well in the C certificate for commissioning into the armed forces, be it some bonus marks in the recruitment of the armed forces as well as the paramilitary forces and the state level jobs, or be it admission bonus marks for the higher educational institutions, or more recently even the efforts of the DG NCC and all involved to make the NCC as an elective subject in the higher educational academic institutions. Today, ex-NCC cadets, be it the Honorable Prime Minister, the Honorable Raksha Mantri, other ministers in central and the ministers in the state government, or the bureaucrat, or any other person who has been in the NCC, they take pride in stating that they were once NCC cadet, and most of them admit that NCC contributed in development of their personality immensely. I myself started uniform, bearing from the NCC and joined IMA, and today I retired as well on 1st of February this year as brigadier from the NCC. I call upon the youth to join this wonderful organization, the National Cadet Corps, and urge the NCC cadets to keep the aims of NCC in mind. They will never go wrong. Instead, they will be pillars of the nation building. Thank you, and Jai Hind, Godspeed.